Ini Muhammad apa? Rifki.
Muhammad Rifki, Pak.
Ya, silakan.
Sudah lihat, Pak, screen-nya, Pak?
Sudah. Yang lain juga sudah. Terima kasih.
Okay. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, me and my team will present our presentation about Tanah Liat, Batik Tanah Liat. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rifki, and my team, Nana Febrian, Rahmat Hidayat, and Andrea Prilian. We will present about strategic planning in small and medium enterprise Batik Tanah Liat. Introduction. Batik tradition found on the island of Sumatra until now is still carried out, such as Batik Jambi from Jambi, Batik Basure from Bengkulu, and Batik Tanah Liat from West Sumatra. Batik Tanah Liat is a batik that is the same as in general, only uses clay. About small in 1996, located in Jorong Sikaibai, Nagari Sungai Duo, Sitiong District, Dharmasraya Regency. A piece of cloth. The owner has a certificate of basic batik skills by Batik Center in Yogyakarta. Craftsman totaling 25 people. Batik motif made kalu paku, betel in Kencana, and net income 70 million rupiah per month. Production 3 times a day for one piece. 250,000 rupiah. Silk fabrics 1,500,000 per strand. Total production reached about 3,500 a year. Next, about SWOT analysis, will present by Febrian.
Okay, my name is Nanda Febrian. I will to continue this presentation. Next is SWOT analysis. There are SWOT. First, strength. In strength, there are 3 points. First, guaranteed product quality. Second, can meet consumer taste according to orders. And third, various model of product motif. And in weakness, there are 2 points. First, a process in the manufacture of all product. Second, a difficult getting quality raw materials. And in opportunity, there are 3 points. First, community support and trust. And second, high market demand. And third is public perception is good about the product. And in trade, there are 3 points. First, an unfavorable weather. And second, promotion of other batik product that are over batik superior. And last, in many claim that Tanah Liat batik belongs to personal. Next. Next, and there are vision and mission. And vision is develop an existing business by developing and update new product. And their mission, make it an independent and quality business and can be empowered competitiveness in the market and can also develop business well in country and abroad. Next. Next, a recommendation from SWOT. First, in strength opportunity strategy. And first point in product guarantee. By guaranteeing product quality and support and trust, society will increase. And second, various motif model. With motif model product that various will increase market demand against batik Tanah Liat. Third, unique colors. There are colors that unique will expand territory marketing. And last is discount. With a lot of discount, it will increase satisfaction consumers toward the product so that consumers subscribe. Next continues in Andrea Brilliant.
Okay, I am Andre Aprilian. I want to continue presentation weakness opportunity strategy. The first, practice not taking finance that are still manual to modern will improve trust society against product. Second, minimize price. With minimize price, raw material price will improve market demand to batik Tanah Liat. And then support and policy. There is support and policies government for the training financial. The record will improve how to take notes financial statement that's good. Next. Strength and trade strategy. First, guarantee product quality. By guaranteeing product quality, can improve trust product in competing with Java Island batik. Second, defend quality and innovation. And innovation. And then defend color. Defend like add color as a characteristic batik Tanah Liat. Next. Weakness and trade strategy. The first, trend batik to be more skilled to produce quality product and innovative. Second, improve work with the other party in the get material standard quality. And the last, collaborating with party raw material sender in the order to get quality product.
And the activities. First, product guarantee. In the first year, we will get in quality control. For,
Siapa yang bicara ini? Maaf,
Rifki, Pak.
Rifki lagi ya. Tadi Nanda ya. Udah ya. Oke. Silakan.
First, quality control. There are 6 parts. In one part, it's about 2 months. Until 1 year, we will focus on quality control. The second is various motif model and unique colors. We will research viral motif model and combine each model from the 3 part until 9 part, from the first year until the second year. And the third, we will promote, make ads on the web, Instagram, Facebook, and etc. From the first year until the second year, that we can show in the strategy Gantt chart. And the last, we will improve service. We will add batik equipment and low price material in the second year. Okay. Next, we will present by Nanda Febrian.
Okay, next there is next the budget and person in charge. And first product guarantee, quality control, resource inspection by batik expert, cost, and PIC Muhammad Rifki, and second various motif model and unique color, research viral motif model, and resource conduct a customer needs survey and combine its model, resource products, PIC Nanda Febrian, and promote, make ads on the web, Instagram, Facebook, resource advertising, PIC is Andre Aprilian, last improve service at batik equipment and low price material, resource equipment, PIC is Rahmat Hidayat. Next, continue with Rahmat Hidayat.
key indicator, exhibition activity, first years, that 1, second years, 2, and third years, 3. Regular customer, first years, 50, second years, 100, and third years, 150. Instagram followers, first years, 200, second years, 1,000, and third year, 10,000. Product variety, first years, 3, second years, 5, and third years, 7. Online shop, first years, 1, second years, 2, and third years, 3. Unit sold, first year, 2,000, second year, 5,000, and third year, 10,000. Craftsman, first year, 15, second year, 20, and third year, 25.
Okay, sir. That will be all of our presentation today. Maybe that's all. Thank you.
Oke, thank you very much. Oke, saya bahas dalam bahasa Indonesia saja ya. Ini tentang batik Tanah Liat dari Damasraya. Secara umum ini yang saya kehendaki juga ya, karena tidak mengambil judul-judul yang terlalu besar. Ini perusahaan yang cukup tidak terlalu besar, kecil. Small enterprise ya, atau small and medium enterprise (SME). Ini yang paling bagus untuk dipotret. Saya kira pemilihan judul cukup bagus, datanya cukup ada. Jadi secara umum alur dari strategic planning-nya sudah benar, Jadi ada analisis, dan yang bagus tadi ada there are many strategies. Depend on the SWOT analysis ya. There are SWOT and strength and maybe opportunity strategies ya. There are weakness and threat strategies and etc. ya, lain-lain sebagainya. This is cukup bagus. Vision missionnya juga baik ya. Ada berkaitan dengan quality, ada berhubungan dengan competitiveness. Memang usaha-usaha itu kata-kata kuncinya memang apakah kalau perusahaan jasa itu trust ya, semacam kepercayaan, atau kalau barang biasanya the quality and the competitiveness. Mungkin tadi sudah disebut the scope of area is not in inland atau in countries, but maybe in abroad, ada foreign ya, di luar negeri ya, barangkali itu cukup baik. Tapi kelemahan-kelemahannya masih ada ya. Mungkin yang saya lihat cuma strateginya ada 4 strategis ya. Saya mau tahu betul ya, ada 4 strategis yang dipilih. Halo?
Iya Pak, ada 4 yang dipilih Pak.
Ada yang 4 strategis, biasanya to promote, to make the customized product customization ya, jadi membuat darah variety ya, itu ya kira-kira ya, dan to make a better service ya, nomor 4 ya. Yang nomor 3 apa? Terlupa saya. Kamu udah ingat juga nih. Pertama kan customisasi itu, customisasi ya, produk garanti, garanti ya. Produk garanti. Yang nomor 2 itu sebenarnya customize ya, produk customisasi itu, customization in product. Customisasi itu bisa model, bisa motif, bisa warna, bisa corak. There are many customization ya. Itu bahasa ininya. Nomor 3 itu to promote, to make the other people know about the business ya. And yang keempat itu ada service. Tapi desainnya tidak dirinci, sepertinya hanya satu desain aja. Sebaiknya dari promo itu kan macam-macam desain yang bisa kita lakukan. Improve service, there are many ya. Add equipment, saya tidak pernah melihat membeli equipment ya, apa yang dibeli. Tapi yang saya lihat ada online shop. Tapi online shop itu in order to strategi mana? Online shop itu yang mana itu? Karena ada di key performance indicator-nya. Yang mana? Online shop itu untuk mewujudkan strategi mana? Saya mau tanya itu aja.
Yang to promote, Pak.
Oh, to promote.
Iya, Pak.
Nah, ada. Berarti to promote itu kan daerah ada promotion, tapi itu tidak to promote ya. Saya lebih baik to make improve service ya, to make layanannya lebih mudah. Bisa jadi mungkin di bawah. Bukan, tapi itu tetap dirinci, misalnya apakah promote ya, to promote through web atau Instagram, Facebook. Nah, satu lagi kalau Anda mau masukkan tadi yaitu membuat online shop, tapi sekira bukan promosi, itu lebih kepada how to improve your service to the customer, to make the service more easier by using online shop gitu. Kira-kira begitu. Nah, itu yang perlu aja di komentar dari saya secara umum. Tadi yang terakhir bicara siapa? Rahmat Hidayat.
Iya, Pak.
Oke ya. Ya, your English proficiency should be improved ini. Ya, saya kira begitu. Harus membiasakan diri. Kalau yang lain ya sudah cukup baik lah berbahasa Inggrisnya. Ada beberapa yang bagus. Saya kira itu saja dari komentar saya. Ada yang mau ini lagi sebelum kita lanjutkan? Kalau tidak ada, Anda tutup. Terus grup berikutnya silakan tampil. Grup 6, Ihsanul Fikri, Hafiz, Rizky, dan Muhammad Akbar. Silakan. Langsung saja.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yang bicara tolong saya bicara nama apa ya? Jadi supaya saya tahu juga. Oke, makasih. Akan menilai ini sekarang.
Good morning, sir, and friends of all who were present at Zoom meeting today. We are from Group 6. We want to explain strategic planning about small and medium enterprise of electronic and microcontroller components. Before that, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Rizky Abdullah.
Ada yang salah ini? Langsung aja Rizky.
My name is Rizky Abdullah, and my team, Ihsanul Fikri, Hafiz Riyandi, and Muhammad Akbar Hussain. Next. Next one. Electronic components and microcontroller is a basic element to form a series of electronic devices. Students and the people of the city of Padang, so far it is very difficult to get electronic components and microcontrollers. Even if they are usually, they have to be ordered online from an online store, and the component will arrive at least 5 days later. That's why we built this GP Electrovision to make it easier for students and the people of the city of Padang to get and buy electronic component and microcontroller without having to wait long, especially for students who will make project assignment and final project student. Next. Here's the data from the company. First, company established in 2019, average 100 customer per month, gross income 22 million per month. Most buyer are students. Buyers 60% Padang student and 40% general public. Has 4 managers, has 1 storage. Product are obtained from trusted brands. Open at 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. Monday until Friday. And last, available in the online shop for out-of-town buyers. Next. Next will be explained by Hafiz Randy.
My name Hafiz Randy, sir. I will to explain about SWOT analysis. Next. The strength of our enterprise. The strength of this business are products are obtained from trusted brands. Most complete seller of electronic component in the city of Padang and can be purchased online. Next. The weakness of the business are do not have a physical store, unstable buyer, and relative expensive price. Next. Opportunity of this business are the rapid development of the time, a lot of competition based on electronic and microcontroller. The final project student who need electronic component and student design project assignment and existence of a student activity unit in the field of robotic in microcontrollers. Next. The threat of the business are wider promotion by competitor store, and there are more famous competitor store, and competitor store sell product cheaper. I will return to moderator.
Thank you, Hafiz Randy. Next will be explained by Akbar Hussain.
My name is Muhammad Akbar Hussain. I will to continue the presentation. The next is where we want to go. So in this session, we have a vision and mission. The first, our vision is providing electronic component and microcontroller with the best quality and affordable price. And our mission, and we have 2 missions. The first is providing the best service to customers, and the second, providing electronics component and microcontroller with specification required by customer. I return to the moderator.
Thank you, Akbar. Next will be explained by Iksanul Fikri.
Okay, my name is Iksanul Fikri. I will be to continue presentation how to gather. SWOT recommendation, reduce weakness and threats and increase profit from opportunity. Number 1, do not have a physical store. Number 2, a stable buyer. Number 3, relativity express price. Number 4, recruitment more employees. Number 5, improve service in product sales. Strategy and design. Number 1, do not have a physical store. The solution is increase to offer better financial management. Number 2, unstable buyer. The solution is create on web, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and browser. Number 3, relative expensive price. The solution is give discount on search national holiday. Number 4, recruit more employees. This solution same as number 1, increase turnover and better financial management. Number 5, improve service in product sales. The solution is add chat operator admin, and give away free messages. Schedule of activity. Strategy and design for number 1, increase turnover and better financial management. 3 part in first year and 1 second year. Number 2, create website and Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other social media. Make paid promote, make brochure. 2 part in first year and 3 part in second year. Number 3, make a discount on certain on national holiday. 3 part in first year and 3 part in second year. Next, add employees. This same as number 1. Number 5, there is add chat operator, 2 part in first year and 2 part in second year. For giveaway first Mercedes, 3 part in first year and 3 part in second year.
Then budget, strategy and design. First, create an offline store. Design by a building to turn it into an offline store. Research building cost years 8 million. Second, increase promotion. Create ads on the web, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Research advertising cost year 3 million. Making brochure and distributing them at an activity. Research brochure cost year 1,500,000 rupees. Third, hold discount on special days. Make discount on certain national holiday. Research discount cost year 2 million. And last, improve service. Design open a job vacancy as admin. Research requirement cost year 400 rupees. And then providing merchandise for online purchases. Research merchandise cost year 2 million.
Ini
And
Hafiz yang bicara.
total,
Hafiz yang bicara ini?
skip dulu Pak.
Oke. Yeah.
And the total 60,900,000 rupees. Next. Next will be explained by Akbar Hussain.
Okay, my name is Akbar Hussain, and I will continue the presentation. And the next is person in charge, or we call it PIC. The first strategy is create an offline store. There is buy a building to turn it into an offline store. The PIC is Akbar. And the second, increase promotion. Create ads on the web, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Making brochure and distributing them at an activity. The PIC is risky. Maaf Pak, seperti ada kesalahan teknis Pak. Oke. Izin share screen Pak, biar saya maju. Okay, I will continue. The third is hold a discount on special days. Make a discount on certain national holidays. Then the PIC is Hafiz. And the last is improve service. Open a job vacancy as admin, providing merchandise for online purchase. The PIC is Fikri. I return to moderator.
Thank you, Akbar. Next will be explained by Hafiz Randi.
My name is Hafiz Randi. I will continue about this presentation. Next. Okay, success indicator. Success indicator, we have 6 indicator. First, CWebs baseline 100 times. In first year we get 100, and the second year we get 150 times see website. 2, like in Instagram, baseline 250 like. In the first year we get 250 likes, and in the second year we get 350 likes. 3 hashtag baseline 75 times. In the first year we get 80 times, and the second year we get 120 times hashtag. Subscribe and baseline 200 times. In the first year we get 300 first times subscribe, and the second year we get 450 subscribe. And the 5 customer increase in the percent, baseline 5% per year. In the first year we get 5%, and the second year we get 10%. 6 electrical and microcontroller sort, baseline 100 unit per year. The first year we get 150 unit per year, and in the second year we get 320 unit. I return to moderator.
Thank you, Hafiz. Thank you so much for your attention. We would like to apologize if there is a mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Baik, terima kasih. Sedikit komentar saja karena waktunya nggak banyak. Secara umum strategic planning yang dilakukan sudah cukup baik ya, dari awal collecting data sampai dengan indikator keberhasilan atau key performance indicator. Ya, tapi kalau saya menyebut nama ini bukan karena saya ingin menyudutkan atau apa begitu ya, mungkin sebagai perbaikan aja. Beberapa mungkin harus mengimprove ininya, pronunciation-nya ya, karena ada sangat dalam pengertian kita cadel berbahasa Inggris ya. Kalau cadel berbahasa Indonesia itu kita dengarnya orang asing berbahasa Indonesia. Jadi beberapa masih cadel ya, saya tahu ini agak diucapkan seperti berbahasa Indonesia. Jadi saya kira ada tadi mungkin ya kurang ini. Secara umum tugasnya tidak menyebutkan perusahaannya, enterprise-nya apa perusahaan, tapi hanya menyebutkan perusahaannya bergerak di bidang listrik. Kalau tidak ada nama, sebut ajalah perusahaan XYZ atau apa namanya. Jadi enterprise. Jadi ini kan sebenarnya apa namanya, toko elektronik ya sepertinya ya, menjual barang elektronik ya sepertinya. Betul? Kira-kira itu. Hah?
Iya, Pak.
Oke. Ini ya itu aja. Terus yang strategiknya saya lihat saya tidak ini ya. Yang ada 4 strategi, tetapi saya mendefinisikan hanya 3 strategi aja sebenarnya. Karena kalau Anda buka strategi, coba tolong dibentuk di strateginya. Sebenarnya diskon dan segala macam itu adalah salah satu bentuk dari strategi promotion. Promotion itu tidak hanya apa ya, tidak hanya selebaran brosur dan ada di media-media sosial, tapi juga ada event-event yang bisa kita lakukan untuk promosi, atau event ini dalam bentuk diskon. Jadi diskon saya kira itu bagian dari to promote promotion. Saya kira begitu. Ya, jadi apa ya, diskon itu bagian dari promosi. Karena saya anggap jika ada strategi aja yang ini yang dilakukan ya. Itu saja, tapi indikatornya harus selaras dengan strateginya ya. Kalau ada toko online begitu ya harusnya, atau toko offline harusnya ada sebuah indikator di tahun keberapa ada dari tidak adanya 0 menjadi 1 gitu. Atau adminnya dari tidak ada menjadi ada. Admin adalah tentu untuk melihat apakah itu sudah dijalankan. Ya, kira-kira begitu. Bisa dimengerti ya? Kira-kira
Sama.
ya. Oke ya. Itu aja dari saya komentarnya. Yang lain sebenarnya ada beberapa tapi saya tidak ini. Tapi presentasinya slide-slide-nya lumayan baik, dan presentasi pertama dan kedua ini sudah memakai bahasa sendiri, tidak memakai bahasa teks yang ada di Google atau apa. Saya kira begitu. Ini positifnya, berusaha untuk memakai your own language, your own translation, ya, terjemahan Anda in English. Jadi ini sudah ada peningkatan menurut saya. Oke, terima kasih. Itu aja komentarnya. Kita beri tepuk tangan secara online saja. Secara ini kita lanjutkan kepada grup 7, yaitu Muhammad Reki, Ian Kevin, Salman, dan Agung Trigunawan. Silakan. Yang ini silakan di siapa grupnya ini? Yang ininya, promote yang moderatornya tadi Reki Abdullah, sekarang siapa? Muhammad Reki, ada?
Ini Pak, dari saya saja Pak.
Saya tuh siapa?
Ian Kevin Pak.
Ya, silakan. Silakan. Ya, sudah dilihat. Silakan.
Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ian Kevin. I'm going to talk about DJI business that is moving in the field of drone sales business. Before I start that, I'm going to introduce our group member. There are 1 Agung Trigunawan, 2 myself, Ian Kevin, 3 Muhammad Riki Fanza, 4 Salman Arasid. Let me start with about DJI company. DJI company will be explained by Agung Trigunawan.
Okay, thank you, Ian. I would like to explain about our company. A drone is an unmanned aircraft that is controlled by a computer or remote control. This tool has a camera that can be used to take pictures remotely. The development of the use of drone in the world is increasing due to the many benefits of using drone in several fields, such as aerial photography, assisting in mining, gas and oil exploration, part of military strategy and tactics, used in the agricultural industry, and others. DJI provide drone that can be used in various fields for technological advancements in the Southeast Asia. Next. Next, vision and mission our company. Our company vision is to be the #1 drone service company in Southeast Asia and contribute to the nation sustainable growth. Next, our mission, we have 3 mission. Number 1 is service provider as the forefront of drone technology innovation, whose role is to introduce various new solutions to the market. Number 2, drone manufacturers as parties that focus on developing drone technology from the hardware side to ensure that the drone use are reliable and of high quality. Number 3, software developers as parties that focus on software development to maximize the potential utilization of the data obtained from drone. Next, our company data. Number 1 is DJI was founded in 2006. Number 2, the number of drone purchases is 500 units per year. Number 3, majority consumers 80% are adult. Number 4, the price for one full set of drone is $350 until $550. Can be used within 20 until 30 minutes. Number 5, gross income per month is $13,800. Okay, I will return to the moderator.
Thanks, Jogong. I will be explain SWOT analysis. There are 4 SWOT analysis. Firstly, strength. 1, strong market position. 2, innovative concept. 3, strong business models. 4, large customer base and geographical outreach. 2, and next there are weakness. 1, lack financial and technical resources. 2, devaluation of Mexican currency. 3, lack of expertise in operating in US markets. And next there is opportunities. 1, increased demand of them parks. 2, high internet penetration. 3, increased mobile phone usage. And then threats. There are 1, currency devaluation. 2, intense domestic and international competition. Next is strategy and design. 1, increased promotion of flying drone. There are 1, in promoting DJI to geographically dispersed customers. 2, introduce DJI to different social networking and take advantage of e-commerce trends. 3, use a well-developed and integrated IT infrastructure efficiently. 2, managing finance well by adjusting to global economic condition. 1, increase access to suppliers who offer cheap raw materials. 2, reset prices and adjust to deteriorating economic condition. 3, improving the competence of human resources. 1, reduce the job stress and increase workers' morale. 2, conduct research and development and provide training to human resources. Next, schedule of activities will be explained by Muhammad Riki Fanza.
Thank you, Ian. Excuse me, sir. My name is Muhammad Riki Fanza, and I will continue presentation about schedule of activities. The first strategy and design is increasing promotion of flying drone. The first point is promotion DJI to geographically dispersed customers. The first year is throughout the years. The column is explained about for months, and the second year is throughout the years. The second point is introduce the DGI to different social networking and takes advantage of e-commerce trends. The second year is for the first month, the first for month in the first year and the last 4 months in the last year. In the second year is for the first 4 months and the last 4 months in second year. The third is use as well develop and integrate IT infrastructure efficiently. And the first years is through the years, and the second year is through the year. The second is strategy managing finance well by adjusting to global economic condition. The first point is increase access to suppliers who offer cheap raw material. In second year, for the first and second month in the years, and second year is the first and the second month in 4 months and in second years. The second point is reset price and adjust to the deteriorating economic condition. In the first years is in the 4 months in the years in second years, and perform in the last 4 months in second years. In the second years, perform in the first 4 months and perform to the last 4 months in second year. The three strategy design there is improving the competence of human resource. Next slide. Next. Budget estimate plan. Strategy increase strategy and design. The first is increasing promotion of playground. The point one, promoting DJI to geographically dispersed customers. The resource is pamphlet. Estimate budget is $200 US. The second point, introduce DJI to different social networking and takes advantage of e-commerce trends. The resource is advertisement. Estimate budget is $1 million US. The third point is use well develop and integrate IT infrastructure efficiently. The resource is gadget of computer. The estimate budget is $3 million US. The second strategy in design is managing finance well by adjusting to global economic condition. The first point is increase access to suppliers who offer cheap raw material. The resource is transportation. Estimate budget is $200 US. The second point is reset price and adjust to deteriorating economic condition. The result is staff economic. The estimate budget is 0. The third strategy and design is improving the competence of human resource. The first point is reduce the job stress and increase workers' morale. The resource is snack, entertainment. The estimate budget is the $1,500 US. The second point is conduct research and development and provide training to human resource. Source is training. Budget is $500 US. Thank you. And the next presentation and will be continued by my friend is Salman. So Salman, time is yours.
Thank you, Muhammad Riki Fanza. Let me to introduce myself. My name is Salman Arashid. My friend calls me Salman. Now I will explain the in person in charge in strategy and design. One is increase promotion of flying drone. First, promoting DJI to geography disparate customer. Second, DJI to introduce DJI to differentiation networking and take advantage of e-commerce trends. The last is use a well-developed and integrate IT infrastructure efficiently. The person in charge is Salman Arashid. Next, managing finance well by adjusting to global economic condition. First, increase access to supplier who offer cheap raw material. Next, reset price and adjust to deteriorating economic condition. The person in charge is Ian Kevin. For improving the competence of human resource, first reduce the job stress and increase workers' morale, and conduct research and development and provide training to human resource. The person in charge is Muhammad Riki Fanza and Agung Tri Gunawan. Next. In this slide, I will explain the success indicator target. The indicator of for year for drone type for first year is 1, next year is 5, and third year is 13, and fourth year is 24. For our product total is for first year is 1, and next year is 115, and third year is 700, and fourth year is 5,000. For drone service, and our service is first year is 0, for next year is 20, and next year is 300, and for year is 2,000. For our YouTube subscriber target is for first year is 70, and next year is 20,000, and next year is 800,000, and the fourth year is 1,030,000. For our Instagram followers, for first year is 50, and next year is 22,000, and third year is 800,000, and for year is 3,300,000. For our drone for target in first year is 100, and next year is 10,000, and third year is 100,000, and fourth year is 15 million. For our employees, for first year is 15, and next year is 5,000, and third year is 20,000, and fourth year is 200,000. Next. For not is for our company is what product over now, what kind of product we need, how to operate that. For one is what data and analysis. For second is mechanism, strategies in design, resource, schedule, cost, and PIC. For the last is key indicator. It is our presentation. I will give it back to moderator.
Baik ya, langsung aja. Terima kasih ya terhadap presentasinya. Saya bingung di apa namanya KPI-nya. Coba buka yang Key performance indicator-nya. Ini perusahaan apa ya? Sebentar, coba lihat. Nah, ini employee, ini employee, bukan person in charge, tapi setelah ini key performance indicator-nya, key indicator ya. Coba dibesarkan. Ini perusahaannya menjual drone atau drone-nya memberi pelayanan keunggulan drone-nya. Terus apa hubungannya dengan employees ini ya?
Maksudnya itu Pak, jadi perusahaan ini menjual drone Pak. Jadi karena perusahaan itu udah tersebar di beberapa negara Pak. Contohnya ada di benua Eropa kayak Amerika, terus ada mendirikan pabrik Pak. Jadi emang karyawan itu emang banyak Pak. Untuk pasaran market drone aja ada 75% pasaran dikuasai oleh DJI ini Pak.
Bentar. Ini employee ini kan beban berat ini. Maksudnya employee ini apa? Customer atau employee ini? Apa namanya? Employee ini yang bekerja kan? Kalau Anda 200.000 orang memperkerjakan, tidak ada perusahaan yang bisa mengerjakan itu ya. Ini drone type ini apa? Jadi indikatornya ini masih tidak jelas dengan ininya. Kalau saya key performance indikatornya ini agak ngawur karena tidak ada korelasinya dengan strategis yang Anda buat. Strategi yang Anda buat itu kan sebenarnya, coba lihat strateginya. Halo? Nah ini, pertama increase promotion ya, playing drone. Nah ini kok playing drone ya, dia masih saya kurang mengerti maksudnya. Agak ini ya, nggak fokus ini. Tapi kalau promosi ya, kalau Anda berarti apa yang promosinya? Kalau Anda menjual drone ya dipromosikan ya drone-nya. Kalau drone-nya memberikan jasa, itu beda ya, jasa macam-macam itu jasa drone-nya. Itu juga lain promosinya, beda promosinya. Jual produk sama menjual jasa, beda. Yang nomor 2 agak membingungkan, managing finance, karena ininya resource-nya nggak jelas. Resource-nya apa tadi? Kalau promotion-nya jelas. Kalau improving competence itu juga nomor 1 tidak bisa ya. Reduce job stress ini bukan kompetensi. Orang stres dalam bekerja bukan berkaitan, is not related with the competency of the human resources. Human resources competence related dengan yang kedua, conduct research and development provide. Bukan, ini kemudian kompetensi itu bisa diimprove by doing training atau certification atau advanced study, belajar lebih lanjut ya, meningkatkan training atau belajar atau training itu bisa orang yang datang ke tempat kita, bisa kita datang ke tempat orang training. Itu beda ininya. Nah, ini biasa strategic planning ini meningkatkan kompetensi, tapi kalau job stress dan segala macam is not kompetensi, itu motivation. Jadi barangkali ya itu improving competence and the motivation of human resources. Itu 2 hal yang berbeda. Motivasinya lain halnya berkaitan dengan kompetensinya, kompetensi kemampuan dia. Jadi kaitan dengan sekolah, training, sertifikasi yang sudah dia ikuti. Nah, itu kompetensi. Kalau dia sudah mengikuti macam-macam tapi tidak punya motivasi, is not related with the, itu beda masalah. Tapi nomor 2 ini resource-nya tidak jelas juga. Managing finance ini maksudnya apa? Coba resources-nya nggak jelas. Kalau kompeten motivasi kan resource-nya kan makan-makan ya, acara makan pagi gitu, pertemuan informal, diskusi. Kalau kompetensi ini resource-nya training, biaya training ya. Tapi managing finance-nya apa resources-nya? Biasanya aktivitas, biasanya rapat-rapat dan segala macam, biaya rapat, biaya segala macam. Tapi ini lain ini. Nah, ini masih nggak fokus saya lihat. Nah, nanti antara strategis ini dengan key performance-nya harus ini. Saya terkejut jadi kok hubungannya dengan penambahan employees. Harusnya motivasi apa key performance-nya, ya. Apa itu nggak susah mengukurnya. Kalau kompetensi mudah mengukurnya. Jadi ada sertifikasi kompetensi sudah yang sebelumnya belum ada menjadi sudah ada. Nah, kalau yang promotion ya harusnya nggak tahu saya melalui apa dia promosi, ya melalui e-commerce atau apa. Tentu resources-nya dan indikatornya ke sana. Nah, itu antara strategis dengan desain dan apa namanya? Itunya masih kurang nampaknya ya, masih belum nampak ini. Itu yang saya belum streamline ya. Harusnya strategic planning itu logikanya nyambung. Logiknya dari collecting data, SWOT analysis, strategi yang diambil, jadwal, resources yang dipakai. Nah, itu resources yang dipakai. Nah, resources ini berkaitan dengan key performance indicator. Dia semuanya kalau ditelusuri satu garis lurus. Kalau bisa Anda membuat garis lurus di antara seluruh itu strategic planning-nya bagus. Kalau belum mendapatkan garis lurus, itu strategic planning-nya pencar-pencar, artinya belum menjadi proposal dia itu. Masih salah proposalnya, ya. Yang tempat lain juga ada saya lihat, tapi yang di sini agak nampak jelas belum ini. Gimana? Ada komentar? Apa yang mungkin ada yang perlu yang saya mungkin salah menginterpretasikan, silakan. Ya, gimana?
Tidak ada mungkin kami memasukkan.
Oke ya, kalau ya itu kondisinya. Kalau saya juga kurang mengerti yang managing finance dan segala macam. Apa sih resources-nya? Jadi setiap desain itu jelas resources yang dipakai. Yang paling mudah ya managing finance itu misalnya pertemuan, meeting itu resources-nya. Meeting itu punya biaya. Sebuah meeting itu kita meeting di Grand Jury, biasanya di Unan Grand Jury habisnya kita biayai 20 juta, sewa hotelnya, makannya itu sudah 15 juta. Terus uang transport dari peserta meetingnya sudah 5 juta, biasanya 20 juta. Meeting setengah hari itu. Kan 20 juta Unan itu kalau ke Grand Jury setengah hari. Itu kan resources, ya, meetingnya sendiri. Event meetingnya itu kan sudah resources, sudah menanggung biaya. Oke, itu aja. Mungkin itu masukan saya. Kita lanjutkan saja dengan grup dari Raihan, Fuad, Abi, dan Muhammad Hafiz. Silakan. Ada orangnya, Raihan, Muhammad Hafiz?
Ada, Pak. Ada, Pak. Ada, Pak.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce Yus from Group 8, Abi Rifki, Fuad Mutakin, Raihan Khairi Widian, and Muhammad Hafiz Ramadan will explain about strategic planning resilient Indah Transport.
Siapa yang bicara ini?
Hafiz, Pak.
Ya, baik.
Table content: 1. Company data, 2. Vision and mission of the company, 3. SWOT analysis, and 4. Strategy and design. 1. Company data. 1983, Mr. Justinus Suroso and Mrs. Justina Rayuni Suroso start their struggle to establish a transportation business in 1983. Next, 1991 has 5 fleets with the Hino brand TPAK and since then the Rosalia Indah Tourist Company has officially become a self-proprietorship. Next, 2015 until now, PL Rosalia Indah turned into legal entity under the name PT Rosalia Indah Transport. PT Rosalia Indah Transport was established in 1983. PT Rosalia Indah Transport is located on the Raya Serangan, Kilometer 7,5, Jateng Karanganyar, Central Java. Number consumers people per year. Consumers from among men, women, children, teenagers, and adults. The majority of consumers come from Central Java, and the rest come from outside Central Java. Rosalia Indah Transport is oriented toward AKDP, intercity within province transportation service or AKAP, intercity interprovincial, which has a wider reach. Has human resource of more than 1,000 personnel and more than 140 executive office in agents of Rosalia Indah spread across Java, Sumatra. Next, vision and mission of the company will be explained by Abi.
Okay, thank you, Hafiz. My name is Abi Rifki. I would like to present the presentation. Next, Hafiz. Okay. The vision and mission of the company. The vision is this company to be a land transportation company that excels in service quality and safety in Indonesia. The mission is 1. Provide excellent service by implementing a service license and company values for customer satisfaction. Number 2 is provide facilities and infrastructure that are supported by reliable research. Number 3 is compliance with government regulation and implementing public transportation company safety management system, quality management system, environmental management system, OS management for continuous improvement. OHS mean safety for injury. Next. The 3 is SWOT analysis. Next. From strength. From strength, number 1, number 2 is the facilities that are owned are complete. Number 3 is cleanliness of the bus fleet. Number 4 has an office adjacent to the pool. Number 5 is the owner will get off directly monitor the bus journey. Number 6 is trained by bus driver. Number 7 is provide ferry store package. Number 8 is fast service process. Number 9 is travel can follow the wishes of the consumer. Number 10 is the bus is still relatively young. The weakness from this company is the bus fleet is small. Number 2 is the lesser known brands. Number 3 is promotional activities are still minimal. Number 4 is there is no standard for tour leader. Number 5 is organizational structure that is not well structured. Number 6 is all transaction activities are still written in the book. Number 7 is inconvenient place for the bus ball. Number 8 is the appearance of the website is still less informative. Next. From opportunities. Number 1 is many new destinations have emerged. Number 2 is the local government is aware to the managed tourist attraction. Number 3 is have loyal customer. Number 4 is diverse customer needs. Number 5 is opening new collaboration opportunities. Number 6 have help introduce new destination. Number 7 is helping the economy of resident around tourist extraction. Number 8 is tourism in various Indonesian. From trade. Number 1 is problem on the way. Number 2, inadequate infrastructure in the region. Number 3 is the new competitor. Number 4, full increase. Number 5, government regulation. Number 6, consumer tax shift. Number 7, other use of transportation. Number 8 is third party. Next.
Thank you, Abi. Next, the presentation will be explained by Raihan.
Okay, thank you, Opis. Okay, my name is Ryan. I will continue our presentation. From SWOT analysis, we can take several recommendations, including the first in the market development. We can take recommendation from the strength number 1, strength number 2, opportunity number 1, and opportunity number 5. We get recommendation is with the new destination, it will open up new cooperation opportunities equipped with the complete facilities and competitive price. Number 2 is from the strength number 7, strength number 10, and opportunity number 8. We will get the recommendation is the tour package that have been provided include a variety of diverse tours in the territory of Indonesia. This factor is supported by a bus fleet that is able to travel. Number 3, from the witness number 3, witness number 7, and opportunity number 2, we will get the recommendation is with the recommendation, it will attract potential consumer to come directly to the bus pool to review the condition of the bus that will be used on the trip. This can take place because of the government awareness to manage it. Okay, next please. Okay, from the product development, we will get recommendation is number 1 from the strength number 7 and trait number 3. We will get recommendation is providing best that vary insights to get drop trip with difficult road access. And number 3 and number 2 is we get recommendation from weakness number 4, opportunity number 3, and opportunity number 6. We get with our leader who have been trained. It will be good to include new destination for consumer, which will make consumer loyal to the company. Okay, and next forward and backward integration. We will get recommendation from strength number 4, strength number 5, trait number 5, and trait number 6. We get with the government support and supported by full stability, it will have a good impact on the number of consumer who rent because the price is relatively cheap. Number 2 for from the weakness number 5 and trait number 7, we will recommendation is organize the organizational structure properly in order to simplify the operational process and speed up to service process. Okay.
Thank you, Rehan. Strategy and design will be explained by Fuad.
Okay, Hafiz. The chapter 4 is strategy and design. Next, strategy and design, including three main points. The first, increase the promotion. Person in charge is Berevki. The first is update the website to show the bus fleet and available seats. The research is website and estimating budget is 10 million rupiah. Next, to update the website to be able to buy tickets online. The resource is website and estimating budget is 10 million rupiah. And create ads on social media. The resource is advertising and estimating budget is
3 million rupiah. The second strategy in design is increase the number and quality of the bus. The person in charge is Raihan Kariwidian. The first increase the number of flights. Yeah. The research is 10 bus and estimating budget is 5 billion rupiah. And providing the bus the very insights. The research is 3 just variation and estimating budgets including to increase the number of fleets and third building cooperation with full suppliers. The research is full suppliers and estimating budget is 1,000 million rupiah. The third strategy design is increase the push pull. The person in charge is M. Hafiz Ramadan. The first increase the waiting area on the bus pool. The research is 3 bus pool and estimating budget is 20 million rupiah. Next please. And schedule activities. The first increase the promotion. Updated the website to show the bus fleet and available seats every 4 months every years. And second, to update the website to be able to buy tickets online to 4, 5, and 6 months in first years, and create ads on social media every 2 months in every years. The second is increase the number and quality of the bus. Increase the number of fleets to 2 months first and for every years. Providing the bus that very enhanced to 1 to 6 months and the first years, and building cooperation with full suppliers to 1 to 4 months and first years. And the third is increase the bus pool. Increase the waiting area and the bus pool to 7 and 8 month to every years. Next up please. Maybe this all for team to I will back to office.
Thank you, Fuad. And then thank you for the attention.
Ya baik, sedikit komentar dari saya mengenai perusahaan Roselia Indah Transport, ya, perusahaan yang bergerak di bidang layanan transportasi. Apa namanya? Kalau coba lihat di apa ya, di bagian ya bukan schedule, di resources-nya barangkali antara strategi ini aja lah. Oke. Pertama strategiknya tidak bisa membedakan strategi dengan desain, ya. Maksud saya adalah misalnya contoh ini ya, nomor 3 ya, increase the bus pool. Nah itu sudah desain, itu bukanlah sebuah strategi. Strategi itu sudah desain ya, sudah sebenarnya ya menambah pool kan sebenarnya. Sudah resources sudah jelas, bus pool ya. Itu sudah jelas. Tapi yang disebut strategi itu misalnya apa strategi untuk sebuah bus pool yang perlu ditambah adalah misalnya adalah increase the service to the customer. Sebenarnya itulah in order to increase atau to improve the service to the customer, we have several design. Mungkin customernya butuh tempat bus pool yang lebih terjangkau. Nah itu. Mungkin customernya membutuhkan apa namanya, bus yang besar. Nah, begitu. Nah, nah ini yang ininya, yang ini. Kalau promotion ya benar, itu sebuah strategi besar dari sebuah marketing, sebuah strategic planning. Promotion selalu diambil sebagai sebuah strategi atau marketing strategi atau itu. Tapi desainnya macam-macam. Promosi itu sangat banyak. Di cara-cara untuk melakukan promosi. Nah, itu marketing strateginya macam-macam. Service juga. Nah, mungkin human resources capacity juga barangkali ya, seperti yang sebelumnya. Ya, misalnya meningkatkan kompetensi dari manusianya. Itu juga sebuah strategi. Kalau ini saya lihat ini strateginya increase the boost pool, itu bukan strategi, tapi itu lebih ke desain. Strateginya sebenarnya increase the apa namanya, the service to the customer, itu yang merupakan strateginya. Dan kita bisa memilih bermacam-macam desain untuk itu. Nah, itu yang saya catat dari sini. Jadi tolong bisa dibedakan antara strategis yang sifatnya lebih umum, yang memiliki bermacam-macam desain untuk strategi. Biasanya itu. Desain itu sudah jelas, resource-nya seperti apa. Misalnya building cooperation with full supplier. Ini resources-nya apa? Fuel supplier, bukan full supplier. Resources-nya dalam suatu desain yang disebut building cooperation with full supplier. Bukan itu. Bukan full supplier. Resources-nya adalah sebenarnya MOU atau kontrak. Itu. Untuk membuat MOU atau kontrak itu Anda harus berusaha, harus buat tim, harus buat orang, harus buat perjanjian, harus segala macam, ada yang ngurusnya. Panjang kan? Jadi semacam memorandum of understanding atau kontrak dengan supplier A, B, dan C yang membuat Anda bisa, misalnya kalau bus ini begini kan peraturan kontraknya macam-macam, harganya dan segala macam. Jadi resources itu bukanlah fuel supplier. Masa full supplier? Resources-nya adalah dalam strateginya adalah MOU-nya. Kalau MOU-nya sudah ada, itulah bisa dipakai itu. Resources itu bisa dipakai untuk strategic planning kita. Bukan ininya, gimana ya? Karena menyebutkan misalnya pom bensin X, Y, Z ya, itu kan Anda nyebut aja, dia akan tidak ada efeknya. Dia akan menjadi efek kalau Anda sudah berkontrak dengan dia. Jadi resources-nya itu. Ini cuplikan-cuplikan kecil, kesalahan-kesalahan kecil yang biasanya dibuat oleh mahasiswa dalam melakukan strategic planning. Sebenarnya resources-nya itu. Sehingga membuat kontrak itu activity-nya kan panjang kan. Tidak semudah Anda melipat tangan orang berkontrak. Anda menjelaskan pasal demi pasal dan sama dia. Dan apa aturannya, apa sanksinya, apa klaimnya, apa ini kan semua dalam kontrak. Biasanya itu. Nah, itulah yang disebut dengan Anda butuh orang untuk itu, Anda butuh biaya untuk itu. Itulah strategi. Ini beberapa yang mungkin di tempat lain juga akan menemui kesalahan seperti ini. Ini yang saya lihat ya, mungkin ada beberapa lagi yang, tapi itulah sesuatu yang saya lihat. Tapi secara umum ya strategi desainnya semuanya grup ini dari sebelumnya juga sudah sudah menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Terus apa namanya topik-topiknya sudah lebih in touch ya, sudah dekat lah dengan topik-topik kita. Itu aja dari saya. Mungkin ada komentar lain dari yang sekarang ini? Mungkin bukan itu maksudnya gitu atau apa? Boleh, silakan kalau ada.
Izin Pak.
Ya.
Jadi yang poin 3 tuh kayak bukan menambah fullnya Pak, kayak meningkatkan fasilitas di waiting area-nya Pak, waiting room-nya Pak. Mungkin itu Pak. Nah,
itu kalau jadi strategi, apakah itu milik busnya? Apakah itu apakah bagian 3 bus pool? Apa resources-nya meningkatkan area itu? Itu yang ini. Apa yang 3? Kalau jelas nanti di resources-nya, kalau Anda mau itu apa kira-kira saja. Meningkatkan area WC gitu. Apa? Terus buat toko gitu dari perusahaan itu, toko atau small apa ya? Apa ya? Kalau di Garuda itu kan ada Garuda Lounge. Nah, itu maksudnya ada waiting room-nya, ada Garuda Lounge. Ada mau buat ini apa namanya? Roselia Indah Transport Lounge di tempat minum-minum.
Ya, kayak fasilitas itulah Pak. Mungkin kurang jelas di research.
Resources-nya itu bukan 3 bus pool. Tidak ada. Resources-nya lounge. Biayanya lounge itu besar biayanya ya, 50 juta, 100 juta itu biasanya. Buat sebuah tempat itu membangun sampai jadi tempat itu dalam rangka increase, tapi strategi tetap bukan increase bus pool, increase service to the customer. Tetap strateginya increase service to customer. Tapi mungkin ya oke, Anda maksudkan tadi kalau 3 bus pool artinya Anda ingin menambah 3 bus pool. Itu kalau saya baca ya. Resources-nya itu. Kalau resources-nya yang Anda maksud tadi yaitu launch apa namanya launch ya, Garuda Launch. Ngerti ya? Mungkin kalau Anda ada launch gitu.
Baik, Pak. Siap, Pak.
Itulah resource-nya. Jadi jelas kalau Anda mengasurkan itu resource-nya begitu. Oke? Ya. Biayanya juga harus ditanggung Anda. Paham? Ya gitu. Oke. Baik, itu saja. Terima kasih juga atas ininya, kesesuaian ini. Nah, ini saya selesaikan aja sekarang ya. Saya grup terakhir mudah-mudahan ada ini. Afdal Rantau dari dan ini Muhammad, silakan aja. Ini mudah-mudahan hari ini selesai sehingga minggu depan, dan absennya sudah saya siapkan. Silakan melakukan proses online ini ya. Online ini, masukkan online kedua kali ini ya. Malah 2 kali saya buat ini. Online ini aja. Anda bisa melakukan sendiri. Untuk yang terakhir silakan. Dari atau apa yang mau bicara, silakan. Silakan saja ya.
Okay, sir. Good morning, sir, and all participants. Today, my name is Muhammad Farizaki as moderator from Group 9. We want to explain about strategic planning PT Indah Logistik. Before that, I want to introduce our group. First, my name. Muhammad Farizaki. Next, dari Haryanto, Afdal Zikri Reza, and Yanto Taufiq Rahman. Next. This is our outline, introduction about company, vision and mission, SWOT analysis, recommendations, strategy design, timeline, budgeting, and PIC. Next. First, introduction. PT Indah Logistik is a company engaged in the business of freight transportation service to all provinces and regions in Indonesia, as well as serving the delivery of goods and documents abroad. We currently control almost 100% of shipping destination in Indonesia from Sabang to Merauke. About company, the number of our operational vehicle which reached 1,800 units, as well as our branch office spread throughout the province and regions, make PT Indah Logistik one of the leading freight forwarders in Indonesia. The scope of delivery of goods trucks of 10 service, lands, express lands, sea, air, instant, same-day, tracking color, tracking day, towing, and international, that we have to prepare, as well as with our motto, quick pick up, fast delivery, fast information, make it easier for our customer in determining the choice of shipping goods. Next vision. Yes, sir. Next vision dari Haryanto. Time is yours.
Thank you, Ali. I'm dari Haryanto, sir. I'm continue this presentation. In the vision of Indah Logistik is advancing and development investment service company with reliable reputable and trust risk management by the public through Indonesia, as well as the welfare of underprivileged community, and will build cargo support facilities that can be integrated with application to make it easier for customer to track the good and trust to us so as to increase public trust in us. And next, in mission of Indaka Cargo Logistic is the first providing transportation or investment service product to all corners of the country by prioritizing customers' satisfaction and organizing business activities that create a conducive work climate for the community to contribute optimally for the growth and survival of the company. And third, running a cargo investment service business and ethical risk management to increase shareholder value to the maximum, and participate in efforts to develop the national economy, and strive and work with the spirit of growth and development with customer and increase capital for the benefit of shareholders. Create jobs for the winner community, especially the lower middle class with minimal income in accordance with government regulation. And the last is assisting the government in improving the people economy by the distributing goods needed by the community to remote part of the country at affordable price. And the analysis as well as what the first strength for in the logistic cargo, and the fast delivery and money delivery service, complete fleet selection, super large number of force. And weakness from the cargo logistic cargo is for service has not been spread to remote areas in Indonesia. And third, there are still no brands outside Indonesia. Opportunity in the first, many online shop owner works with Vetenda Cargo Logistic to deliver their consumer goods. Second, high online shopping activity. Third, from Indaka Cargo Logistic is the number of company that offer good delivery action service and can even deliver good abroad. Second, other company have varied plan. And third, company of cover phrase. I'm return to Ali. Thanks.
Thank you, Dari Haryanto. Next, recommendation by Rantau Taufikur Rahman. To Rantau Taufikur Rahman, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Muhammad Ali Fadli Zaki. Okay, I'm Rantau Taufikur Rahman. Okay, I'm Rantau Taufikur Rahman. I want to continue our group presentation. The recommendation are made by increasing the type of delivery service, or S1, S2, S3, S4, and B, increasing the number of service, W1, W2, W3, and W4, so as to improve the service provided excellent and reliable for customers. Okay, next, strategy and design. Number 1, improvement. Okay, number 1, improvement of forwarding routes is added delivery of goods in remote areas of Indonesia and outside Indonesia. Next, number 2, improving work service. Increase the number of delivery fleets and the number of outlets. The next, make promotion in websites and social media.
Thank you, Rantau Taufikur Rahman. Next, timeline and PIC by Afdal Zikri. For Afdal, time is yours.
Thank you, Ali. The next is timeline. The first strategy and decision is improvement of freight forwarding routes. Improvement of freight forwarding route is added delivery of goods in remote area of Indonesia. The next is added delivery of goods in remote area of outside Indonesia. The second strategy and design is improving work surface. In improving work surface is increase the number of delivery rate and the number of outlets. The next is make promotion in website and social media. In timeline, can see in first year and second year. The next is in improvement of freight forwarding routes. In person in charge is Derry and Ali. Added delivery of goods in remote area of Indonesia or resource is domestic logistics staff. Estimasi budget is 100 million. The next is added delivery of goods to outside Indonesia. The resort overseas logistics staff. Estimasi budget is 250 million. The second is improving work surface. Person in charge is Afdal and Rantau. Increase the number of delivery fleets and the number of outlets. The resort is delivery road. Estimasi budget is 5,000 million. The next is make promotion in website and social media. Resort is marketing staff and estimasi budget is 50 million. Next. The next is success indicator. In success indicator have 3 years. The first indicator is branch opened domestically. The first year is with value 10. Second year is 30 and third year 50. The next is branch opened abroad. The first year is 5 and second year is 10. The 30 years is 20. The next indicator is delivery flat and outlet. The first year is 50. Second year is 100. 30 years is 200. The last is C-Web. In first years with value 100. Second years is 200, and 30 years is 500.
Thank you for Afdal Zikra Reza, and thank you for your attention, all participants and